All right, so here we are. Mr. Sunshine has done it again. We've got a fantastic Honda Goldwing 1800 Trike. Just picked it up, and boy, it is beautiful. Take a look at this thing. We got it all served up here. It's got the big 1800cc motor. We've got it all with the chrome with custom wheels on it, and it is beautiful, no question about it. We actually have it on our trailer. We've got everything on there, the electric jack. We've got it all served up here. So there it is, another fantastic find. Mr. Sunshine with the Honda Goldwing 1800 right here in sunny South Florida.